Welcome back, everybody. I hope y'all are having another good day, man. That glare is coming in strong. Wow. Okay, welcome back to the channel, you guys. I hope y'all are having a awesome time, awesome day. Tuesday, early, almost middle of the week, but I'm here to bring you guys some more content. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but last couple videos, content slowly starting to pick back up. You guys, trust me, it's going to get good. This is not the time to fall asleep on me. I don't know why, but the winter months is like when I always come out swinging. Minus summer of 2020 when I did Compounds Lift, all that craziness. But yeah, I don't know, it's weird. It's the weirdest thing, man. Hey, real quick, you guys, before we go on with the video, make sure you go ahead and drop the like button on this video and comment like always, and make sure you subscribe if you are not, you guys, because I'm telling you right now, this build that's coming to the channel, you guys are not ready for it. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fresh, new. I'm not going to say undone, but I will say everything Diesel's going to make it look right, if you know what I'm saying. But with that being said, y'all, I gotta give myself a real quick shout out, pat on the back, because my garage is starting to come together. You know what I'm saying? If y'all seen the first video, or not the first, but the first return video a couple videos ago, this garage did not look like this at all. It looked like a nightmare. And it's a single car garage. Got everything somewhat organized. It's like 95% where I want it at. Good old faithful locker. Organize my detailing locker. Detail / random stuff. Yo, look at that. We got all this stuff. I don't even remember if I showed this in the last video. All my wheel polishing stuff right here. And then up here we got detailing products, polishes, all that good stuff. And then up top we got more detailing products. But I organized it to a certain way. So this corner over here is all soaps and shampoos. We got some glass cleaners and just you know, APCs and interior cleaners. Some Adams products in that corner, including a ceramic coating kit. Over here is just random stuff. Over here we got tire cleaners, tire shine. This is the tire shine corner. I got tire cleaner back there. Some new products I want to test out. I went a little crazy on Black Friday, and then the further we get down, the more random it gets. So this shelf is kind of just like spray paints and all sorts of random shit. You got foam cannons, and then down here is just whatever fits down there. But that's not the point of this video, you guys. The point of this video is that we have a box here, and what's in the box nobody knows except me, because I paid for it and ordered it, obviously. So if you guys think you know what's in this box, just pause the video, drop a comment down below, tell me what you think is in the box. Okay, now here's the cool thing. I'm still not telling y'all what truck we got coming, but I got some good news. Good news number one is the truck will be here tomorrow and I will be receiving it. That's good. That's number one. Number two, I'm going to be unboxing what's in that box, and y'all might be able to tell what truck is for or what it is, and you might be able to figure out on your own. So if you can figure out what this is in here and what application it goes to, I want you to comment down below. The first person to comment correctly, and I say correctly, I mean like on the money. First person to comment correctly, you will get a shout out next video. All right. And actually I owe somebody a shout out too from the other video ago when they guessed. I gotta look it up. I'm gonna find you before we finish this video so I can shout you out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, open this bad boy up right here, get this thing opened up, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay. And boom, just like that, we have the unboxing, you guys. This is a 5-inch straight back turbo back exhaust system. For what truck though? Nobody knows, unless you can figure it out by looking at this picture or looking at this video right here. Okay, so obviously this right here is probably going to be where it makes, not probably, I'm just trying to be dramatic. This is where it'll go ahead and made up on the back side of the turbo, and then we have the rest of the 5-inch piping kit. Real quick, I have never, and this is probably, I don't know, the 6th or 7th exhaust system I've ordered for diesel trucks. I've never received an exhaust kit system that did not have a dent on the flanges or by the connector, by the couplers. Never. There's always one that at least has one dent like that. I don't know if that's just a marking they do or if they just throw it in the box. I'm willing to bet the second part. But you guys, this is a 5-inch straight pipe turbo system from Jammo. Okay, so that's your tip. If you guys know what downpipe style this is for, chances of you knowing what this truck or what application this is for, it probably help you out. Okay, But nonetheless, we will have a truck here tomorrow. Now, in terms of the drop video, I don't know if the video will be out tomorrow because I work nights now, so I work during the nighttime throughout the night. So I'm gonna have to go to work probably shortly after I receive the truck. So if the video doesn't come out tomorrow, you will definitely have a video out on Thursday, revealing the new truck and the new build. You guys, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too. Actually, I know you guys are too, because you guys have been showing so much love in the comments, man. Like I said, it's awesome. I'm excited, man. It's like a new shot of adrenaline in my blood just because I got a new build, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, you guys. So that's where we're sitting at right now. We also have more parts here too. Here, I'll show you guys some more stuff. So this is a tailgate assist for the truck. So you got another tip here, and then this is a part for the actual engine. So obviously I can't show that because that's going to tell you what engine is for. But yeah, we got two parts here. I think I have something else in here. I just don't, I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know where it's at. I don't remember 100%. Oh, you know what? It's not a truck part. It's a boom for the exhaust system. You guys, if you are doing an exhaust system, especially if you're doing it frequently, you need to get one of these right here. These are exhaust remover pliers. So if you ever had to take off, this is the part number. I got it off Amazon. If you ever had to take off, actually, I will have a link for this down below if you guys are interested in it. When it comes to removing the boots off of the old exhaust system, or even putting the new ones on sometimes, but when it comes to removing them, how many of us use WD-40 and some channel locks, right? And we're sitting there for 30, 40 an hour, teetering and just messing with the stuff, you know what I'm saying? Well, those pliers over there are basically replacing this and WD-40. Although WD-40 or PB Blaster or whatever lube you use, it's still a good recommendation because it helps it slide off the shaft easier. No pun intended. But yeah, so got some exhaust pliers. That's what I got. I couldn't think of. I probably got something else. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I just don't fucking remember right now. But yeah, that's where we're sitting at right now, you guys. So with that being said, we're gonna have some cool content coming up soon. Man, that glare, I'm gonna have to start closing that garage. The glare is really bad in here right now because the sun, I guess the way the sun's like setting and stuff. But nonetheless, it is what it is. So you guys, thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Once again, comment down. Oh, nope, we're not done yet. Let me find the subscriber who commented the truck correctly on the first guess. I'm gonna find him right now. All right, so being scatterbrained and all that stuff, I just thought about it. If I shot it out who named it correctly, you guys would know the truck. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. By this point now, y'all like 90% of y'all probably know what I got, which is why I want to see what y'all got to say down below, because I'm just curious. I think it's fun though. I think it's fun. You guys know I don't leave y'all hanging and whatnot. So yeah, for sure. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, you guys. So another thing too I want to mention is ideas, creations, all that type of stuff. Also people, so I'm in San Diego. I'm out here. One thing I want to do besides just building the truck and just making builds is I want to get more people's builds on the channel. Good homie of mine, Justin Fio, he's perfect with that stuff, and I'm not trying to steal his flame or steal his juice at all. But I think it would be cool to be able to get some West Coast trucks, because I do know there's trucks out here. Obviously it's scattered and few, but they're out here. So if you got a build that you want to rock and represent on the channel, get up with me. Everything_diesel. If you're willing to put it on YouTube, I'm willing to put it on YouTube. As long as it ain't like gang affiliated or some crazy shit like that. But besides that though, let me know. Also, let me know about ideas and stuff you want to see for the next build coming up. You guys know me when it comes to installs. I try to be as thorough and as depth as possible, just because some of you guys are watching these videos for the first time on how to do something. So I don't want to leave you guys in the dark with questions lingering and stuff like that. So I try to be as thorough as possible. So once again, thank you guys so much. Like, comment, all that good stuff. I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, Thursday, you guys will have a fresh video out revealing new build. Take care.